This is going to be a video tutorial on how to display or remove the home button on the Zen web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Zen web browser opened up now. To display or remove the home button, if you look up here across the top, my home button is nowhere to be found. To display it, all you need to do is go to an empty area in your toolbar area. You want to right click, go down to where it says Customize Toolbar. Click on Customize Toolbar. This page here will appear, and down here you need to search for your home button within these icons down here. Mine happens to be right here. Now you could do this one of two different ways. You could either right click on the home button and choose Add to Toolbar, or you could left click on the home button, hold down the left button, and just drag it up, and you can place it anywhere you would like within your toolbar. I'm going to let go of the left mouse button right here. Then I'm going to go down to the lower right hand corner and I'm going to click on Done. Now if you look up top here, you can see my home button is right there. And to remove it, all you need to do is right click on the home button and go down to where it says Remove from Toolbar. Click on Remove from Toolbar. That is how to add or remove the home button in the Zen web browser. Thanks for watching.